This lion thought it was just hunting for food. But what it didn't know was that it messed with the wrong herd. Normally, a lion is the king of the savannah. But what happens when it's alone? It spots its target, a weak-looking calf, easy to take down. But there's something it didn't expect. One hit, two hits. The lion is tossed like a rag doll. This isn't a hunt. This is an execution. The hunter has become the hunted. Can it survive? Or is this the end of the so-called king? Lion or buffalo? Who's really the strongest? Comment below.